Hi, it's Kozue. This is today's design. I made this with nail lacquer in this video. I'm gonna be using gel nail from 100 yen stores today. Apply base coat on your natural nails. Let's get started. I'm gonna be making flowers first. I'm gonna use a stamper from Temu and a white polish from a 100 yen store. I chose polish with a thin brush. You don't need a lot of polish on the brush. I'm gonna make petals. I'm trying to make them not too round, kind of like squarish shapes. It's totally okay if you make funny ones or ugly ones. If you are trypophobic, you are warned. Now I'm getting rid of ugly ones with washi tape. Even if you can't find anything ugly, it's a good idea to thin them out. Otherwise, it would be pretty difficult to stamp them on the nail one by one. I'm gonna use 4 petals to make one flower. I'm cutting off some flowers on purpose. Whoops, I didn't mean to stamp this petal. I should have gotten rid of more petals. If you do this on your natural nail, you can use a cotton wood stick and nail polish remover to clean the excess petals. Iris Purple from CanDo. It's a magnetic gel nail. I'm painting it on the whole nail, and I'm gonna let all the particles sink with a magnet wand. The gel is perfectly sheer for this design, and even if you try to sink all the particles, there will be still a few particles visible, which is pretty nice. I'm gonna stamp petals again. I was going to use gel nail instead of nail lacquer to make the petals, but gel petals will be thicker than the nail lacquer ones. Plus, lacquer petals will be more patchy, creating more natural vibes in a good way. By the way, lacquer petals are pretty thinly painted, so they are dry enough to be sealed with gel nail. Now I'm using white gel nail from CanDo. It's really opaque. I'm gonna dot in the flower center. I'm gonna paint iris purple on the whole nail again and sink particles again. I really like this sheer look. I want to put a nail sticker on it, so I'm cleaning uncured gel. If you do this on your natural nail, make sure the uncured gel is not touching your skin. I'm gonna use nail art stickers from Tsumekira. I peeled it off pretty badly, so it's curled up. I'm gonna put it on the stamper and stamp it on the nail. I'm gonna coat it with a top coat. I love nail stamping. I'm gonna stamp something. A stamping plate from Temu and a stamping polish from Walmart. I'm not using a credit card. I'm gonna glue some rhinestones with base and top gel. The rainy season is coming soon here, so this is kind of like rainy season nail art. Rhinestones or raindrops. I'm painting a top coat to finish the thumbnail art. Done. How pretty is that? I'm gonna do the little, middle, and index fingers. CanDo's Pearl Lilac. This gel nail is absolutely beautiful. The particles are so small and the pearly effect is stunning. I'm trying to gather some particles in the center and then keep swirling the magnet. I'm gonna flash cure it to freeze the particles. I'm gonna do the middle finger now. I'm applying Pearl Lilac, gathering particles a bit, and swirling, swirling, swirling. Flash cure. Now I'm gonna do the index finger. I'm gonna fully cure all the three. I'm gonna do the same thing again to all the three nails. I think you can do just one coat, but I highly recommend 2 coats. 2 coats will give it a nice depth and beautiful polish spot. The middle finger. The index finger. I'm gonna fully cure all the 3 nails. I'm gonna glue rhinestones to the little and index fingers. I'm painting base and top gel as glue. I'm gonna finish them with top coat. I'm gonna paint matte coat on the middle finger to prepare for chrome powder application. I'm gonna clean it with ethanol and rub it a little with a makeup sponge so that excess chrome powder will come off easily. I'm gonna draw some lines with CanDo's top coat. I'm using Daiso's fine brush. Now I'm gonna rub chrome powder on it. I love chrome powder in an eyeshadow palette. Powder doesn't fly in the air much. I still wear a mask though. I'm cleaning the excess powder with washi tape. I'm applying a top coat gently, not to scrape the chrome powder. I'm gonna do the ring figure. I'm gonna do the flower design on it. I'm painting iris purple and let the particles sink. I'm stamping the petals. I'm painting iris purple again and sink particles. When I'm sinking particles, I feel like I'm a witch. Is that weird? I'm cleaning uncured gel for a nail art sticker. I didn't curl the sticker this time, yay! I'm painting base and top coat as glue. and I'm gonna put rhinestones on it. Oh my god, I forgot to dot on the flowers. Ay ay ay. I'm gonna dot with CanDo's white gel. I'm gonna finish it with a top coat. Okay, let's see what they look like on my fingers. Oh, they are so pretty. They are so chic and tasteful. How about a thumbnail? I love nail designs with letters and words. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!